Hi and welcome to this video. Now, in the last video, we saw list and tuple data structure in Python. In this video, we will see another data structure in Python, which is sets. So once again, let's start with an intuition first. Suppose your task is to find out how many different kinds of sports do people in your office play. So let's say you have surveyed in your team, and some people said they like soccer, tennis, while someone might have said that they like baseball and soccer, and someone would have said they like golf and so on. Now, based on your knowledge of list data structure that we have seen in the last couple of videos, you can simply create a list of server responses. It's exactly here is where you will realize that a lot of names of sports are actually repeating because many people can have affinity to similar sports. Here we have soccer, tennis, baseball, and another soccer and golf. And in this case, two people like soccer, while if you increase the size of the survey, then there will be other common sports like tennis, baseball, and so on. But since you only need the unique list of sports that people play in your office, you can simply create a set of responses where each sport is occurring only once. And here, this set, this is nothing but very similar to the set data structure that we have in Python. Also notice how we can use curly brackets here instead of the square brackets for list. So the next question is what exactly a set is. First of all, a set is an unordered collection of elements. Now this is very important to note because till now we have been seeing most of the data structures are ordered data structures like list, tuple, and so on. Notice on the right, when we created this set here, my underscore set, initially we had given some order to the values. As soon as a set is created, as you see here in the second line, the order changes. So in this case, we had A, B, C, D, 1, E, 2, 4, and now my set order is 1, 2, 4, A, B, C, D, E. And the reason for this is basically a set in itself sorts all the elements that you put into it. But the disadvantage of this is whatever order you put inside the set, it doesn't matter. The set doesn't remember what order the data has initially. The second most important property of a set is that one that we have already seen before, and that is basically it only contains unique elements or values. So even if you create a set with duplicate values, it will automatically remove them. And we are going to see how this is done in code. Now the next point is sets are actually mutable. That means you can add or remove values from them. And finally, another important property of a set is, remember the set theory from mathematics where you can create different sets and you can take a union, intersection, and so on. You can actually perform all of those actions using the set data structure in Python. Now, since we're talking about the set theory operations, here are some examples. So first of all, you have these two sets, B and C, and you want to find the intersection of these two sets. That means the values that are present in both set B and set C. So that's known as intersection, and you can actually do that in Python using the sets data structure. Similarly, if you want to find union of two sets, or if you find subsets, you get the idea. So you have this union function. So this is enough of theory. Now let's go to the code and see how sets work in Python. Thank you.